Welcome travelers! I'm currently at Kuala Lumpur Airport and I'm gonna fly to Singapore today. My flight will be operated by Singapore Airlines on their Boeing 737 MAX. Thank you for joining me on today's trip, so let's head straight to the gate. Boarding started on time and I was welcomed by the friendly cabin crew. This is the business class product on the Boeing 737 MAX, which I'd love to fly soon. My seat for today's flight is 43K. This Boeing 737 MAX is 3.5 years old at the date of travel. I personally really like the interior of this Boeing 737 MAX of Singapore Airlines. I also love that Singapore Airlines equips their Boeing 737 with personal in-flight entertainment systems.
Cabin crew door treatment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft. Please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. During takeoff and landing, ensure that your tray table is stowed away. Put the back of your seat upright and keep your shoes on. Before we take off, stow your luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. It will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few to the closest exit in front and behind you.
Pushback started a little bit delayed. I hope I will reach my connecting flight to Frankfurt in Singapore.
When you hear the command, brace, brace. Assume the brace.
Let's enjoy some impressions of the departure out of Kuala Lumpur.
Hands on top of your head.
The flight time of today's flight is only around 45 minutes, so the crew really had to hurry to serve some drinks. However, there's a complimentary cup of tea or coffee with some milk and an apple juice. As you can imagine, the cabin of a 3.5 years old aircraft is very modern and clean. After only 25 minutes of flight time, we already started our descent into Singapore. But before we land, I have to show you the in-flight infotainment system on this Boeing 737 MAX. There is a huge variety of movies, series and music. I also really like the moving map, which is really interactive, which isn't the case very often on other airlines. You will find a USB port at every seat as well. Let's have a look at the seat pocket in front of me. It contains a waist bag, a safety card, and an instruction for in-flight Wi-Fi.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I can tell you that the legroom on this aircraft is very good as well.
Terminal 3. In preparation for arrival, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. I am taking my connection flight on the A350 to Frankfurt now. See you next time in one of my next videos.